In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website on Squarespace. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Give the page a moment to load, and make sure you're on the official site. When you're ready, look to the top right corner and click Get Started. This takes you into the sign-up flow, where you'll create your new account. Keep your login details safe and easy to remember, and use a strong password. If you're prompted to confirm anything during sign-up, go ahead and complete that so you're all set. Once your new account is created, Squarespace automatically guides you into the website creation setup. This is where the fun begins. The first thing you'll do is select a template. Think of templates as starting points. They give you an overall layout and style that you can customize later. Don't overthink colors and images at this stage. Those can change easily. Instead, focus on the structure that fits your goals, like a clean homepage layout, clear navigation, and the kind of pages you know you'll need. You can preview templates to see how they feel on both desktop and mobile before you choose. Next, you'll see a few quick questions about what your site is about and the functionalities you want to include. This helps Squarespace tailor suggestions to you. For example, if your site is a portfolio, you might want galleries and project pages. If it's for a business, you may want contact forms, a map, or scheduling. For a blog, you'll want posts and categories. And if you plan to sell products or services, you'll likely want a store or checkout. Answer these prompts as accurately as you can. There are no wrong answers, and you can always adjust later. At this point, you can choose to build using the AI website builder or move forward by picking a template yourself. If you choose the AI option, it will ask a few guiding questions and generate a starting site, complete with suggested sections and sample copy you can edit. This is great if you want a fast draft layout to refine. If you prefer more control from the outset, select a template you love and proceed with that as your base. Either route gets you to the same place, a solid foundation you can customize. And there you go. You've reached the starting line of your new Squarespace site. From here, you can begin personalizing content. But for now, you've successfully set up the essentials and you're ready to build with confidence.